No, good morning. Today's morning, I have a amazing, ma-amaze na lang ka day, no, kay because of the nature, natumba day, sa lakas ng hangin, natumba gid siya day. But we're thankful kay layo ra gid ang sakyanan, no? Natumba gid siya. As you can see, natumba gid siya, oh. Asa mi nag-face here, and then natumba ang kahoy just because of the weather. Grabe ang iyahang impact sa hangin. So ingat-ingat lang yun, no? Nakuratan po big mga pinalive, no? So balik gid siya. Wala nag-expect na inaana gid ay siya kakusog gabi. But thank you Lord. We're blessed. So coffee is life. Nana gid na kape-kape pag may time. Kuratan po big pinalive kay siyempre alam mo na rent a car lang ni guys. Mo ni kinabuhi sa province, no? A province of life. O diba? Lamit yung mga piday. Ano ito? Have a very good morning. Thank you, Lord. We are blessed and we are grateful. So thank you for the wonderful moment and the best memories in life. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Thank you. Babu.